Hi everyone, today I'm so excited to share with you this amazing all-natural face mask that left my skin glowing and super soft and clear, and it's made out of blood. I'm totally kidding guys, it's not. You guys know I like to play way too much. This is what it's actually made out of. Raspberries. Raspberries are full of antioxidants. It can help to clear your skin and leave it glowing and amazingly soft. I was amazed by the results of this, and yeah, I can't stop eating these whilst making this face mask, so don't mind me. So the first thing we're going to do is just wash our raspberries, and I was actually inspired to create this after watching Anita Samantha's YouTube video where she created her own face mask out of raspberries, and she actually used green tea, but instead of using green tea I decided to use raspberry leaf tea. I don't actually need a lot. I ended up making too much and then I had to save it in the fridge, so then I had to use this face mask again. Just do as little as possible as you don't want to waste these. Face mask can clear acne. It shrinks your pores naturally. It's just so amazing and it's so cheap guys in comparison to buying a face mask, and it's easy and simple to make. Look at my little boy stealing the raspberries. He's so cheeky, bless him. So I'm just basically taking the raspberries and placing it into a little bowl and then mashing it up like so. Mask will also help if you suffer from any hyperpigmentation or acne scars. For the next step, I'm just boiling some raspberry leaf tea and then I'm going to add it to the face mask. The next step isn't compulsory and I probably wouldn't do it again when I make this face mask again. Raspberry leaves are really good if you suffer from acne or you have oily skin. They tighten the top layers of your skin. So I'm just basically pouring it into my little jug and then I'm going to add them to my raspberries. So I'm just basically going to add my tea into that little child's mug, straining it through, and don't forget to drink the raspberry leaf tea because the health benefits are amazing, and I've also made a video on this which I'll link below as well. And I'm just going to take the leaves and then place it onto the raspberries. So here I am guys, fresh faced, and I'm just getting ready to apply this face mask onto my face. When you apply this you will feel it tingling, and that's a really good sign that it's working and it's detoxing all your pores. So exciting. Clear skin, here we come. So now that it's on, I had the most fun idea. I was like, let me go and scare Ty and Kay. This will be epic! Oh, that's exactly what we're gonna go do. Always remain a child at heart, because life's too short, guys. So here goes, guys. Are you ready? Let's see if they're gonna get frightened. Are you scared?
No. Your face? What did you put on your face?
Blood!
Blood.
No.
More.
Raspberries. I'm now just going to sip on some raspberry leaf tea and let my body heal from within. Guys, don't judge me if you think the house was a mess. It's called being a mum. I tried to leave this on my face for as long as I could stand a tingle, which was probably roughly between 8 to 15 minutes. Now it's time to rinse it all off. You will feel the berries gently exfoliating your face as you're rinsing it off. It's really good to take a warm cloth and just wipe it off gently. For doing this, I then just went in with my favourite face wash, which I've already done a full skincare routine, which I will link below if you want to check it out. It's really good to wash your face with warm water, and then your last wash, rinse it with ice cold water to close your pores. Ready for the end results? Drum roll please. Guys, I'm literally shook at these results. Like, wow. And my face is still dripping wet. That's dedication to this video. I didn't even dry my face. I straight away had to record it to show you guys. And I'm just patting my face, and I'm just going to show you a picture of my skin, how glowing it is. Like, after I apply my moisturizer, I'm literally shook. Skin literally felt baby soft and amazing. So please do let me know if you try this, and thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. I'll see you in my next upload.